10 reasons why nobody is watching your videos on 2023. Hey J buddies, are you struggling to get views on your videos? Are you wondering why nobody is watching your content in 2023? Watch till the end, because in this video, we'll be discussing 10 reasons why your videos are not getting the views they deserve. From poor discoverability to lack of relevance, we'll cover all the bases to help you troubleshoot and improve your video performance. So if you're ready to find out why nobody is watching your videos, let's get started. 1. Your video is not being discovered. If your video is not being recommended to viewers or showing up in search results, it is less likely to be watched. Make sure to use relevant tags and titles to increase the chances of your video being discovered. 2. Your video is not engaging. JBuds, if viewers are not interested in your video, they are unlikely to watch it. Make sure to create compelling and interesting content that keeps viewers engaged. 3. Your video is not relevant. If your video is not relevant to the viewer, they are unlikely to watch it. Make sure to create content that is tailored to your target audience and addresses their interests and needs. 4. Your video has poor production quality. J-Buddy, if your video is poorly lit, has poor sound quality, or is difficult to understand, viewers are less likely to watch it. Make sure to invest in good equipment and editing software to improve the production quality of your videos. 5. You have a small audience. If you have a small number of followers or subscribers, your video may not be seen by many people. To increase your reach, consider collaborating with other creators or promoting your video through social media or paid advertising. 6. Your video is too long. If your video is excessively long, viewers may lose interest and stop watching. Make sure to keep your videos concise and to the point. 7. Your video is not optimized for mobile devices. In 2023, it is likely that a large portion of video views will come from mobile devices. J-Buddies, if your video is not optimized for mobile viewing, it may not be as easily accessible to viewers. 8. Your video has too many ads. Yes, you heard it right. If your video is filled with ads or pre-rolls, viewers may become annoyed and stop watching. Consider finding a balance between monetizing your content and providing a good viewing experience for your audience. 9. Your video has poor thumbnail or title. The thumbnail and title of your video are often the first things a viewer sees, and can be crucial in attracting their attention. If your thumbnail or title are unappealing or misleading, viewers may not choose to watch your video. 10. Your video does not meet the viewer's expectations. If the content of your video does not live up to the viewer's expectations based on the title or thumbnail, they may not continue watching. Make sure to accurately represent the content of your video in the title and thumbnail to avoid disappointing your audience. By considering these factors and making improvements where necessary, you can increase the chances of your video being watched in 2023. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to see our latest updates. Thanks for watching.